well, guys. It is snowing. Truck is getting covered up in snow. That's for sure. It sure is. It's gonna look beautiful. Yeah, it's snowing and it's windy too. It is windy. Alright guys, so I am so glad I brought my vlogging camera. We might do a headshot today on my perspective view. I'm driving. What I'm worried about, it's snowing and raining. It was snowing first when I woke up because I drove through the whole last night. But what do you call then it rained kind of and then snow. Now it's still, what do you call, I'm still 2 hours away from my delivery near Chicago, which is North Lake, Illinois. But what do you call, it is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the snow. I hope you can. I'm just gonna open my window. It's beautiful. I'm just hoping there's gonna be no ice in the road. Everyone looks like on the highway up there, they're driving. I don't know if you can see in the background. It looks like they're driving. It's all melting. It's not like it's building ice. What I'm worried about is at night, because I have to leave a little after midnight to go do my delivery, and I'm hoping it's gonna be okay. So yeah, here's a trucker coming up, probably gonna be going for fuel or parking, but yeah, it's beautiful stuff. It could be dangerous, but what I'm worried about is at night when it freezes, hopefully all this water right here will not turn into ice on the roads. So we'll see. Keep our fingers crossed that we can be driving all through good. I'm gonna leave a little bit early, that way we have no issues. I know there shouldn't be any traffic because in Chicago area everyone's sleeping at the time I'm doing my delivery. But yeah, so I'll show you guys what's going on and why I'm worried, and hopefully it goes away. So let's go here. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. It says it's snowing. Look at that. 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10, 12. It's not gonna snow after 8 p.m. so we'll see. But watch this radar right here. Let's see here. Radar right here. Look at this right here. Yeah. Oops, shut up Siri. Okay, refresh. Alright, let this refresh. I'll show you what's going on. That's where I'm at in Indiana right now. So this is what's going on right now. It's snowing like crazy where I used to live in Wisconsin. I'm gonna fast forward it. See, it shows, this thing is off on time. It shows that where I'm at right now, when the storm's gonna progress, there's not gonna be any snowing, but Chicago might still have snow. We'll see what happens. And this is like a storm front here. Let's see what's going on in the rest of America. I see. Okay. But yeah, so I think I should make it. We'll see. Hopefully there's gonna be no ice, but this is basically my other vlog. The first snowstorm for Chicago in February. I don't know what I'm gonna title, but that's how it is. So I'm gonna rest now and then we're gonna go. Alright guys, so I want to go ahead and start my day. I need to get to the delivery area and near North Lake, Illinois. Let's see here, it's showing us it's gonna be there 4:13 p.m. so hopefully, I mean a.m. so hopefully when we go it's gonna be all right. Now the question is, will my brakes work? Because it was windy. I put brake conditioner in there. Hopefully they're gonna be doing just fine. Let's go ahead and see. I think it is. I'm I'm smart about this. You gotta put brake conditioner. That means you want to have no problem with your brakes, so that you don't freeze or anything like that. So yeah, let's go. Let's go check out them roads. The wind has stopped. Hopefully there's no ice in the roads. Let's go see what happens. Let's see, how do we get through here though? Let's see here. I want to get through here. See, all that snow has been blowing. It hasn't really snowed much here in Indiana. It's mostly in oh, you have to be kidding me, really? This guy here? What the flip? Why can't you park somewhere else other than there? You have to be just gotta make sure I don't hit anything else. This guy is wacko in terms of that. I'm like, who the heck parks like that? I hate when people park like that at truck stops. Like, I don't even park that. Last time I tried to park something similar, start banging on my door. Like, wake up and move your truck to a different spot. Now we got this guy here, and I don't know if I can make this turn. All because he is out there in the front, just chilling basically. All right, let's go see how them roads are. Let's go check that out. Hopefully they'll look good. Hopefully they'll look great. There's another car. There's another four-wheeler coming. Oh, turning here. Perfect. Let's go. This place has I want to say 4 truck stops on this exit. 2 major ones and 2 mom and pop shops. So, and we're gonna have to go to Chicago. Here, yeah. So far so good. I'm not having any issues. Data. I want to reset. I want to know how much fuel I'm consuming.
Turn left at the traffic light.
So far so good. Not many people running right now at night because it's night. Let's see. Let's go check out the roads. Ah, come on. I hate that I can't even turn because of... Yeah. Alright, I'm downhill. I can put it in second. What is this guy doing? Come on, Warner. All right, let's go. Road looks clear. It doesn't, to me, it doesn't look slick. It's just fine. Time to see, guys, if the roads are clear. Let's go. guys, so far so good. Road's looking clean.
On I-65.
Not really that windy, so I'll keep you guys updated if the road conditions change. Other than that, we're driving towards Chicago now. Alright guys, so it's very windy. It is extremely windy. I'm having difficulty controlling the truck. I just realized that my my ELD is being dumb. Let me see if I can go see what's going on with it. Alright, perfect. It's being super dumb. That's all it is. Anything I do, it doesn't want to do anything correctly. Also because maybe I'm connected this. If you guys can hear my voice, the roads here are terrible. They are terrible. So I don't with the bumpiness. But if you look to your left, I don't know if you guys can see to the left. This third lane over here it hasn't been really traveled on this left lane. So left lane not being traveled on, it's a little icy, so I gotta be careful. So I gotta be careful on the exit ramps. As I can see on the exit ramps, they have a little bit of snow and ice. Man, these roads are bumpy, and I'm gonna be soon getting on Chicago, Highway 80. So we'll see how it looks. As you can see, yeah, it's a little bit icy there. All right, guys. So Indiana's really bumpy. I tell you that. Okay, we're gonna be getting on 80. We're gonna see how the road is. My main concern was not really wind, but ice. But this wind is terrible.
Right lane. Then take the exit to I-80 West.
So is these bumps in Indiana Road are terrible. I'm having a hard time talking because of that. They're just terrible, yo. They're just terrible. Hopefully it's not that bumpy or anything. Looks clean to me so far. That's the good news. Exactly what we want, looking clean. No ice. This is the part that's gonna suck about Illinois and Chicago, or this part of Illinois is. It's not Illinois yet, but I mean, it's gonna be. The speed limit is 55, for goodness sakes. And there's tollways. So. And now I think at least we're going against the wind, so we're not as much fighting it anymore. Guys, so we are about to enter Illinois. We gotta pass these slow poles right here, but yeah, it is just a rough road in Indiana. Hopefully Illinois is better roads. Remember, all the cars are covered in snow from yesterday's aftermath. Trying to pass a few trucks. I'm gonna give it a gas. I'm glad I'm doing the delivery 5 in the morning, simply for the fact because let's just say there's less traffic in Chicago when that happens. I'm trying to pass all these slow guys because they're impeding the lane that I was in. They can't freaking pass anybody fast enough. Oh, whoa! You should have cleared that ice from him. Oh my goodness, he got iced, yo. gonna be in Illinois in about half a mile. Pretty soon, half a mile. So let's see here. There goes half a mile. It's so bumpy, guys. So bumpy.
94 north.
So far looking clean. I don't see any signs of ice or snow on the ground. You did a good job cleaning it all out, but never know. So keep your eyes posted. In Illinois, here I am. And guys, these are Oasis. These are just masterpieces. They had one shut down because it had a crack, but these are just masterpieces because I just like, you can go inside and everything, and like you can eat right on top of the highway, I remember. So yeah, I like them. I like Oasis. They're like truck stops, but not quite truck stops. More of a travel stop over the highway. Well guys, I don't know if you can see here, but the places here are still covered in snow, so we're gonna take it slow. Still covered in snow, so we're just gonna take it very slow. And yep, the city's still covered in snow, so I'm not gonna go too fast. Be extra careful, you know. Be extra careful as you can see how it is beautiful. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. I hope you guys can see this, but whatever. If you don't, then you don't. But yeah, that's how it is. Alright guys, so I'm about to make it to my delivery. Hopefully they'll accept me about 45 minutes early. But yeah, I have traction though. That's the good news. It is snow here, but it's not icy underneath, I guess. So
Turn
at
right
least
at the traffic light.
So at least, what do you call, I have traction. Now I have to turn right over here. At least I think so. Yeah, I can. Oh yeah, I could take it wide too. There is a company probably. Some kind of supply company. Let me take a look. My GPS here is showing that it's gonna be to the left, like right soon. I just gotta be patient. Make sure. Put my four-way flashes on. Make sure I'm going to the right place, you know. Looks like we are, but we're probably early. So over here I go. Actually, I can go right into that gate, it looks like. Look at all that snow. I think I could go all towards that gate, so I should be fine. Yep, I'm at the right place, that's for sure. Alright. I'm gonna go here to the left. That way, when I need to back up, I can just turn around and back up. You know, easy peasy. I don't like, what do you call, or I can even turn around up there. But I don't like doing blind sides, so I would rather turn around. Alright, right here. Set my tractor brakes, and then I'm gonna go here and go on duty on this. Alright, and we're done. Alrighty. Okay, fellas, that was flipping cold, but I went to the wrong place, let's just say that. I went to the wrong place because this is all shipping. I gotta find receiving. So it must be on the other side of the building there, because this is all shipping. I'll give it a try. I went into the shipping dock and there was like no, I mean shipping check here, there's nobody there, and it was like the lights turned off, like nobody was even working. So we'll see receiving. So we made it, I made it to the other side of the warehouse. That's more like it. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. They might let us in, they might not let us out. So I'll get as close as possible I can. Or actually, I'll go right there and talk to them. Alright, so I got here. I'm getting unloaded. It's freaking cold. I don't really like it. It's freaking cold, but whatever. Oh yeah, I gotta redo my backing skills a little bit. I don't think they could, yeah, but anyways. Actually, wait, never mind. It looks fine. Now that I can see here, yeah, I got it in there. So it matters now. I gotta get this chalk. That's all ice. Thing's ice. Let's see if I can get a chalk. There we go. This icy chalk. Woo! It's cold. Yeah, I just throw it under here. Good to go. And you know, when you're empty, you can drive. Even if you're loaded, you can drive right over and you'll be good to go. Okay, guys, I'm here unloading. Thank you for watching the video. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I survived the storm, which is pretty bad. I'm gonna take a little nap before I head off to sleep. I mean, when they are unloading me. That's it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.